Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACBFF. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Done this analysis quite a few times in the past, but want to get things updated here as the price made quite the bearish move. Just broke through 2 of these levels of support that I talked about in previous videos. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and do a few updates. And the first update comes from just a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they do tend to act as resistance. So on any sort of bounce, right around that $9.10 mark is going to be that initial level of resistance that the bulls are going to have to fight through if the bounce, is going to be able to gain any more sort of strength or momentum. From the overall sense, so as far as levels of resistance are concerned, that is where this purple line here comes into play. That is the 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to continue to move itself downwards. So if you're looking for more of just kind of the overall trend indicator in terms of, the strength of the bears, as far as I'm concerned, as long as the price is down below this downsloping purple line, then the bears are in total control of the chart as it stands right now. Of course, the price can get back up above the purple line, and then that definitely changes the story around. But the story as it stands right now is the purple line has that downward slope to it, so you got to say that bears are in full control. Now, what about next potential areas of support? So for this, got to scrunch up the chart here a little bit. And from the naked eyeball test, it looks like the price bounced right off this previous area of support, but we'll see. Close. Right around the general vicinity of $8.25. Looking back here through the history of the chart, you can see that area did do a good job of acting as support. Fast forward to today, and like I said, general vicinity, the price is definitely right around $8.25. So going forward, $8.25 is that mark that you want to see the price continue to hold up above. If it doesn't, then the next potential area of support, not until down around the $7.70 mark. So if $8.25 doesn't hold, I'm not saying, $7.70 is going to show up within a matter of minutes, but technically speaking, that is not, the next level of support. So bears are in control right now. We'll see if the bulls can at least start to turn things around or not going into the weekend. Still 1 day left this week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.